Hey guys, I'm unboxing a restock of some items from Bath and Body Works. And first I got this hand soap and Meet Me in Miami. Then I got two of the Mango Papaya Paradise. I've never tried the Meet Me in Miami, so I'll give that one a go. I next have the fresh watermelon, which I've definitely tried before and love it. And of course, all of these items I'll be sharing with you today were on some type of daily promotion. The hand soaps were on sale for $3.50, plus I had a coupon. We have Laundry Room Lemon, and this is another scent that I enjoy. But y'all, this next one is by far my favorite scent. It is the Book Loft. Y'all, I have it in everything. As you can see, I purchased four of them. So that'll last me until the next sale. And this next item is a freebie. It's a body cream and Gingham Gorgeous. Now moving on into the candles, which were on sale for half off. With my coupon, I got them down to like 10 bucks. So I tried out this first one in Warm Summer Evening, which the notes are warm florals, calming amber, velvety sandalwood. Sounds interesting. Let me get this box out of the way so we'll have more room. And back to the candles. My next one here is one of my favorites, which you saw it already in the hand soap. Yes, it's the Book Loft. So you know I got multiples because I always stock up on this one. Here's another one in different packaging, but this just gives me cozy vibes, you guys. I'm actually burning one now in the old packaging. This was my last one left, so I know I had to restock on this one. But this one is described as a crisp bergamot, woods, and a warm blanket. And before I forget, I wanted to share this salted amber and vetiver. It is another one of my favorite scents, you guys. So moving on to my second box here, which will contain all of the room sprays. Now that salted vetiver and amber does not come in a candle. I wish it did, you guys, but we have it in a room spray. And so, as you see, I have multiple of these in a room spray because I was running out, you guys. But I still have some of the hand soap from my last sale that I got, so I didn't need to get it on this one. And the notes on this one is fresh orange flower and rich vetiver, and it smells so good, y'all. And I have these little sprays everywhere in my bathroom, my car, my purse. I love wherever I am to smell good. Now, the sprays on this day were $3.50, and I had my 20% off coupon. So, when there's a deal like that, I just have to stock up. And I had to get my favorite, the Book Loft. So, I got five of these. And I also got five of the salted amber and vetiver. Now, I wish they had that one in a candle. Trust me, I've called Bath and Body Works for that request. Another favorite is my laundry day, which I already had it in a candle. And so I picked up two of the room sprays. This is just one of those clean scents that I love, just like fresh air. And this one I wanted to try called Clean House Vibes. I've never tried this one before, so I'll give that a go. The next one I got is Strawberry Melon, a little sweet scent. I don't really get the sweet ones, but this one, the Laundry Room Lemon, is good, y'all. It's one of my favorites as well. So yeah, I was down to my last one on this Salted Amber and Vetiver. As you can see, it's the old packaging and the book loft as well. The outside packaging often changes, and by the time you see this video, it probably would have changed again. But the point is sharing with you the scents I love, just in case you're interested. So you guys, that's it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what some of your favorite Bath and Body Works fragrances. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.